Holy cow, people, folks and space aliens. I'm at Giants Ridge. I did my first run without my GoPro. So they got this new pass thing going on here. It's actually kind of cool. You just take your little card and you swipe it and it opens. Hooray. Pretty cool, actually. Chairlift, and I'm eyeballing this upper level. Yeah, I'm not going to send all the jumps on it. Trail. I want to go through it and just see what it feels like. It starts with the slab rock and goes through here, and then it crosses down there, but it goes through here. It would be fun just to roll through there and see how I feel, but I'll be doing that probably a little bit later. I'm going to do Sector 12 next. I already did the one green trail, and I'm going to jump right to a black trail. This is my ride up to Sector 12. I want to do that other one like right now, but I got time. I went to go get my GoPro and I left my backpack. I just okay, so that goes that way. Sector 12 is a lot of fun if you like jumps, but like I said, I'm going to kind of half it because I really don't remember exactly how all this stuff is in here. The brakes are squeaking. Okay, here is Leapfrog Sector 12. Okay. Easy. A little bit of ruttage. Oh, let's get it in a good gear. Whoa, that's a kicker. They must have revamped that one. Okay, so far so good. This is the sketchy area because you got the drop. Wow! Oh! Ha! Use all of your travel. This is the one time I might actually send that one. It was so loose last time we did this. Yes. Yes. Oh, a little bump there. Just a little bump. Oh yeah, that's one of the jumps I didn't get last time. Sweetness. There's a rock garden. Okay, not too bad. No, this is living up to what I expected. Okay, so there is, that is a big rock drop, but it doesn't look too bad actually. It's kind of the same. I think they've added a little bit to it. There's a jump right, nope, another turn. No, this is pretty sweet. This is the big drop here. Okay, where is, oh, maybe not. Maybe they reformulated it. I'm kind of brake riding a little bit. Oh, this thing. Yeah, that's the one that I didn't do. Okay. And then here's that big step down and gap. And I'm not gonna do. Plow it! Come on, you can plow it! Ah! I have not done this trail, so I'm gonna go kind of slow. Yeah, it goes this way. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Whoa! Rolling gap. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. is what I was expecting. Big berm. Yeah, okay, I could take that. Kind of a step up, but I might consider it a table. Pretty big.
When I returned to
Big
Brophy
berms.
for day 2, this was actually
This is
Saturday
pretty sweet.
morning, I found that because of all the rain they had gotten, it was just a little too damp. Not too damp, but just a little too soft, I should say. Just couldn't get the
Brick
jumps,
riding.
although I did try it quite a few more times.
Yeah,
I
it's a
decided
little
to
bit
give it
loose.
a little more time to dry out.
Whoa, this is immaculate. Oh, yeah, okay. That's a big table. So there's 2 tables on this. This is pretty sweet. I like this one. Yeah, I'm enjoying this one a lot, actually. Yeah, I think I could take all these jumps now that I know what's going on with this. It's doesn't look like it's ridden as much as the others, so. You know, big berms. Holy Toledo, there's big berms. And it's really rugged too. Oh, yeah. This is the stuff, man. Woo! That was a lot of fun. My bad, I wasn't sure which trail was which. Goliath or the big rock piles that I gotta get over. Not a problem. But I'm like, what the hell? Okay, yep, that's right. Sweet, here we go. Oh boy. Oh, this is way more rugged than I thought it was gonna be. But there is a line. There's nobody on freaking chairlifts right now to watch me. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Plow it. Plow the road. Oh, wow. Here we go. Big berms. These berms are rugged. Okay, here's the first jump. That's a big nope. Yeah, I thought these would be a lot worse when we got down here. But that's okay, because... Oh! I got that one. Oh! Sent it! First time! Oh! That felt good. I sent that jump the first time. It didn't look so bad. I'm like, I could do that. This is a good trail. I like this one. Ho 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 ho! This is sweet. My new favorite trail. I have to do this one again. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that jump, but wow, that's pretty cool. I like it. I just don't like these step-ups. Oh.